Okay, let's go over homework 2.1, number 8. Alright, so we want to find the equation of the tangent line, and first we have to find the derivative, because derivative gives us the slope of the tangent line. Alright, so let's find the derivative. So we have f prime of x. Let's use the definition. Limit as delta x approaches 0. Alright, then you have a square root of, so I'm going to go straight to the function. Let's see, f of x plus delta x would be, so you see x here, so we put x plus delta x right there, plus 9, right? Minus f of x is just a square root of x plus 9, right? All over delta x, right? Then we know the trick, so we multiply top and bottom by almost the numerator except for the sign. So you're going to have a square root of x plus delta x plus 9 plus square root of x plus 9. Right? So we're going to have to do the same thing on the bottom. So square root of x plus delta x plus 9. Then you have a square root of x plus 9. Right. Right. So we're using this trick. You know, whenever you multiply quantity a minus b times quantity a plus b, and this is going to always give you a squared minus b squared. Right? So using that, we can compute the numerator. So we have a limit as delta x approaches 0. Right? Then you have a big numerator. So you have here, you have to square that. A squared would be x plus delta x plus 9 minus b squared would be simply x plus 9. Right? Then on the bottom, there's nothing you can do, so you have delta x and the times quantity square root of x plus delta x plus 9 plus square root of x plus 9. Alright, then we can cancel as many terms as we can. Let's say there's an x here, then there's another x minus x. Here's a 9 here, minus 9, so you can cancel those. And also, what's left on top is delta x, and a delta x on the bottom, so common factor, cancel those out. So you just get 1 on top. Alright, then we can send delta x go to 0, so you can see that here, this guy goes to 0. So what you get is, there's 1 on top, right? Then you have a square root of x plus 9 plus square root of x plus 9. So you have 2 of those. So you have a 2 times square root of x plus 9. Alright, so we found the derivative using the definition. Alright, now we have to go back and try to answer this question. Alright, so every time we want to find the equation of a line, we need 2 things. One is a point. So we need 2 things. First thing is a point. But the point is already given. So I'm going to call it x1 comma y1. But this guy is 7 comma 4. So since this is given, so you don't really have to do any work to get that. And the second thing we need is the slope. Alright, so let's call that slope m. Alright, m can be found by using the f prime derivative, so f prime, then plugging the x value of the point, so in this case 7. Right, so this is going to be 1 over 2 square root of, alright, it's a 7 plus 9, so it's 16. So square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be 1/8. So slope turns out to be 1/8. All right, now we can find the equation by point slope form. We know that the equation of the tangent line is y minus y1. y1 is 4, right, is equal to 1/8 times quantity x minus x1. So x1 is 7, right? So if you want, you can rewrite it. So you can probably, multiply out. So you have a 1/8 times x, and you have a minus 7/8, right? Then we can write it as slope-intercept form. So we add 4 to both sides to get rid of this 4. So you're going to have a y is equal to 1/8 x, right? Then we're going to add 4 to it. So 4 is same thing as, maybe I'll write it down. So it's a negative 7/8 was there. Plus 4 is same thing as 4 times 8 is 32. So 32/8. So which means that you're going to get y is equal to 1/8x, right? It's going to be plus 25, right, over 8. All right, so what tangent line is 1/8 x plus 25 over 8. All right, so it says that using a graphing utility to graph the function and the tangent line. So let's do that. So we're gonna have, let's see, I'm gonna open up GeoGebra right there. Actually, not that one. That one right there. All right, then just let's type in the function. All right, sorry, this is the wrong one. All right, so let's type in the function. So that's a square root. So square root of x plus 9, right? So I'm gonna probably call it y equals, right? Then sketch that, right? So I'm gonna just move the scale a little bit so that we can see the graph. All right, so maybe I'll scale this down a bit. This is probably fine. All right, then we're gonna write the tangent line. So y is equal to it's going to 1/8 x was a plus 25/8. All right, so hopefully this is the right formula. All right, so you can see that at 7, 4, so 7 is right here. So at 7, 4, so you have a point. Maybe I should put the point there. 7, 4 is the point of tangency. So you can see that, and you can see that you have tangent line. Maybe I'll rescale. So you can see that we have the correct tangent line. All right, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.